guys, this is Kashish Panchal aka The Cozy Chick and welcome back to my YouTube channel. We have finally reached 1000 subscribers, you guys.
मौसम तो ऐसा लग रहा है दिल गार्डन गार्डन हो रहा है. बहुत मजा आ रहा है यहाँ पे.
I am so happy. In my last YouTube video I told you guys to can we just please reach 1000 subscribers, and you guys did it. We are a family of 1000 subscribers on YouTube.
Girl, I am very happy.
1000 number might be small number for other people, but for me it's huge. Like if 1000 people come and stand in front of me for me to watch me, I would go crazy, man. I would go crazy. I would go nuts. Do you all know how much 1000 people look like? See this. See this. Look at this. This is how 1000 number of people look like, and y'all follow me. Oh my god.
I am so happy.
नजर ना लगे थू 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 touch wood नजर ना लगे. Alright, lot of excitement. Now let's talk about this video.
Finally.
So in today's video I will be talking about my top 5 favorite nude lipsticks. Now they are in the category of browns and pinks as well, so that you know the video is a little bit universal. So any shade that you like, you can wear it. Now I will try to explain you the colors as properly as possible, because थोड़ा मैं color theory में थोड़ा मैं भी गड़बड़ा जाती हूँ. But yeah, I'll try my best to explain you like the colors of those lipsticks, and I will be swatching them on my lips. And yeah, I personally have a neutral undertone, and these lipsticks are cool undertones, warm undertones. Mostly they are warm undertones only. So for my skin tone, neutral undertone, anybody who has a neutral undertone, both cool and warm undertones, both shades are suitable for you. If you feel that some shades just look very dull on you, just use a lip liner and you're good to go. You do not have to throw away your lipsticks. So yeah guys, before I move further, make sure you like, comment and share this video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. And yeah, without blabbering much, let's get into this video. First, I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty HD Matte Lipstick in the shade Mauve Blush 07. The name itself is self-explanatory, to be honest. It is a mauve shade with a hint of pink tones in it. Looks absolutely flattering on all undertones. So if you have warm undertones, cool undertone, neutral, I think it will suit on all kind of skin tones and undertones. This is how the shade looks like. It's very matte, although it is transfer proof a little bit, but you need to give it like some time, at least 5 to 10 minutes before it sets on your lips really well. However, I have noticed that after 2 hours or 3 hours, this lipstick like gets stuck into the creases of my lips, and that is something which other lipsticks don't do. I don't know why this particular does. Next, I'm using the Miss Claire Matte Power Lip Color in the shade Good Vibes 06. This is a liquid lipstick, and this is a warm undertone brown nude lipstick, which is really a flattering color, to be honest. And it is so smooth on the lips, like you won't even feel that there's a lipstick on your lips, to be honest, because it's extremely creamy and smooth. And it is a matte formula which stays for up to around 3 hours till 4 hours. Again, after that you have to reapply it, but I don't really mind doing that. And yeah, it's a wonderful shade. Next, I'm using the Love Earth Liquid Mousse Lipstick in the shade Citrus Cosmo. This is also one of my favorite shades. Oh my god, I am so obsessed with this lipstick. It is a liquid lipstick and it is such an amazing brown nude shade. Although it has a tiny little hint of pink tone in it, but yeah, it's a very nice brownish pink nude shade. Also, it is a warm undertone, so yeah, I think it's a very beautiful shade. The formula is very comfortable and it is suitable for light to medium skin tone. For dark skin tone it might look a little bit pale, but you can definitely use a dark lip liner and then apply this lipstick, and I'm sure that it would look really lovely. Next, I'm going to use the Plum Twist and Go Matte Lipstick. It contains ceramides and hyaluronic acid, so it won't make your lips dead dry. And this is in the shade 130 Brown to Earth. Such a wonderful shade. I gifted this to my mom on Mother's Day because she is a sucker for brown lipsticks, and I was like, this shade is looking absolutely gorgeous, and I just borrowed it for her for this video because it is actually a very lovely shade. And yeah, this is how it looks on the lips. It is a perfect brown shade. Next lipstick that I'm using is the Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip Man Cheek Color in the shade Coffee Light. Now, as this is a mousse lipstick, it is not at all transfer proof. It will transfer, but the best thing about this lipstick is it has a very unique shade, to be honest. Like, it is a brown tone lipstick, but it contains purple undertones in it, which I think is so cool. Like, although I think it would suit like all undertones, to be honest, like cool, warm, neutral. I think everybody it will suit. Even if it doesn't, you can just apply like a lip liner and you're good to go. But yeah, I really like how this shade is. This was again a gift from my mom, and this shade looks absolutely stunning on her. And yeah guys, these were my favorite top 5 nude lipsticks, and they are suitable for light to medium skin tones. And if you have dark skin tones, it's completely fine. You can just apply like a dark lip liner and add these lipsticks like just in between to touch it up a little bit, and it would give you the perfect nude shade. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you want any more suggestions with lipsticks, do let me know and I will definitely make a video on it. And yeah, I'll meet you in my next YouTube video. Bye bye.